All right, I have a good news for you. PMI, that is Project Management Institute, is offering two basic or two of the overview courses. One is the Generative AI Overview for project managers. If you look at the price, is US dollars $0, and another is Practical Applications of Generative AI for Project Managers. Both of them are related to generative AI, which is a trending topic nowadays. So first you got to create an account in PMI. I've already signed in using my account. So once you have created an account, you got to log in with your ID and password. Then you got to click on get access. So here we go. So as we can see, it's the course is on unlocked. We got 1 year access for this online course. We got to complete it, right? The confirmation is sent to our email as well, and we got to click on the launch course now. This button. Let's click on it. And there we go, this course has started. We got to click start here to begin here the course overview, right? Similarly, you got to proceed with the second one, that is generative AI overview for project managers. You got to click on get access. You'll get that. And there we go, our both courses are now unlocked. So we got to get started. And please do share with this video with your friends and colleagues, because this is from the Project Management Institute, which is very much known in the IT industry for project management certifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, because I regularly update videos related to high paying IT certification and also free certification courses or vouchers, which will help you to upskill in your IT industry.